Hi, this is Steve Prescott with REMAX Capital Properties. We're down here today at REMAX headquarters, REMAX LLC in Denver, Colorado. And I'm standing here with my friend Jenny, who we've been doing some training with today for momentum training for REMAX. So
Absolutely.
thanks for having us down here.
Thank you so much for being down here. And since you're down here at headquarters, you're seeing all of the support and everything else, tell me, why is REMAX a great fit for you?
Well, REMAX is a great fit for us because if we look back at our mission, vision, and beliefs within our company, we want to provide a platform for great agents to excel and to have the right tools and leadership for our company. And that's the way we feel REMAX is as a mothership of being able to work together with great agents, and the better agents that we're around, the higher we can excel within our career. And that all funnels down to the agents and the consumers at the end product of who get to sell their home faster, get a home faster when they're looking at the real estate market.
Well, wonderful. We're so happy that REMAX is the right fit for REMAX Capital Properties up in Cheyenne. And thank you so much for being here today.
Absolutely, Jenny. Thank you.